This lesson teaches a counterintuitive professional technique: deliberate error amplification. Instead of hiding problems, the editor exaggerates them to expose their structure. The tutorial begins by identifying discomfort points in an image, areas that feel wrong but cannot be clearly defined. These zones are intentionally pushed too far, making the problem unmistakable. Only once the error is fully visible does correction begin. This method trains precision. By overshooting intentionally, the editor learns where the true boundary lies. The final correction is subtle because the editor understands the full range of failure.